What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Casino Channel 329. Let's go for another session. So this is gonna be the session number 8. We need to finish at 371. Let's call it 372. You can see that we have 375 because the casino gave me £10 bonus to use it, whatever I wanted. But in order to get the £10 bonus, I think I need to do 40 eggs or something like that. So I need to, I think, or 110 eggs, something like that. So I need to multiply that $10, £10 into £100 in order to get that £10. I think that's how it works. But it's free money anyway, so we're gonna use it. And yeah, let's see how it goes. You're gonna use Joe Croupier Roulette Tools for this session. Links for this tool is gonna be down in the description. Only cost you £2 per month. 92711 9 oh wait 921 921 11 231 17 231 17 921 11 33 31 33 31 and we have number 7. Okay, we have zero neighbors by 5. That's going to be our first bet. Yeah, zero neighbors by 5. So with the buns, check out good luck. Let's go. 272, 372, I said. Okay, 35 right on the dot. Cool. 372, that's the target. 372, that's the target there. Okay, so we got 35. That's a hit, so we got nothing else, so we're gonna wait. Okay, we have this section right here, 10 and 3 neighbors, so that's gonna be the bet right there. And we also have a combo, 34, 39, and 29, 24, okay. 34 to 29. Combo found right there. So 10 neighbors by 3, first bet. Back to 12. We also have black evens. We're going to stick to this one. We're going to save it here. Black evens. So 2. So we got 1, 2. We got two black evens. So second spin. 19. 19. We got 23 neighbors. Black evens. Got a dealer change bet. So 33 and 11. Nine. This is the fourth spin. We are playing with 7 numbers here. We are here. We have three triggers right here. So let's see which one comes first. So essentially, we want the 10 neighbors by 3 to come up. Number 19.
way number is 19 rather high into odd number part of was under your section, second dozen. Congratulations for the beginners. Bathroom. Bets are closed, thank you.
So we are here on the fifth spin. 10 neighbors by 3. Number 2. Number 2, it's a hit.
The way number is to black low into even number part of was under your section, first dozen. Congratulations for the beginners.
Number
Bathroom.
2 is a hit on black evens. Okay, so essentially you have this section right here
Bets are
that
closed.
hasn't been hit in a while. Cool, too far. Number 4,
Or black.
we got another
The
group.
way number is for black low into even number part of
Hmm, we got another group. We are on the sixth progression. Sixth? No, fifth,
bets are
seventh
closed.
progression. On 32,
32 The way number is
we
32
got
black
a new
high
group.
into even number part of was under your section, 3000. Congratulations for the
Um,
beginners. Bathroom.
so we are here. Eighth spin. We have 11 neighbors, 10 neighbors, 23 neighbors. So essentially, this
Bets are
whole area
closed.
hasn't been hit in a while. Back to 19. He only stays on this area. What the hell?
The way
19.
number is 19 red high into
Another
odd number
one.
part of was under your section, 2000. Congratulations for the beginners. Bathroom. Bets are closed. Thank you.
Just so you know. Okay.
28 black.
Not playing ball. 29.
The way number is 28 black high into even
Hmm.
number part of was under your section,
There we go
3000.
again.
Congratulations for the
So we
beginners.
are
Bathroom.
here on the 10th spin. So ball just been landing over here.
Bets are
I'm
closed.
wondering when the ball is going to change and going to start landing here. Number 2,
Low to black. The way number is to black low into even number part of was under your section, 4000.
we are
Congratulations
here
for the
on
beginners.
the
Bathroom.
11th spin. Damn it. Oh, it's playing hard to get. It's just been landing over here. Look at these triggers. So essentially, all this area, it's
Bets are
it's
closed. Thank you.
it's doing something that just let you know you're using your own cards. Okay. No way.
To black. The way number is to black low into even number part of was under your section, 4000. Congratulations for the beginners. Bathroom.
Hmm, this is crazy. This is crazy. The ball is just not landing on this area. Just landing on this area, not on this one.
Nice.
Again. Oh, number 10. Okay.
10 black.
Eventually came out, right? But
The way
damn.
number is 10
I
black
was like,
low into
what the
even number
hell?
part of your section, 4000.
Okay, number 10 is going to kill most of these groups. We have one neighbors by 4.
Button closed.
Actually, let me well, I wanted to leave, but anyway, let's go with these 1 neighbors because it was hard to get. I should have just leave it alone. 32. So yeah, it's just playing hard to get. So I'm gonna get the hell out of here. So 415.90, I'm good with that. So we made 38 there. Um, so 415.90. Huh? Wait a minute. So we made 50. Hmm. Oh, I think that the extra 10 comes from the bonus, I believe. Yeah, 415.90. So 44.60. So how come we got 50?
The way numbers for black high
Anyway,
into even number
yeah, I
quarter
think
was
that has to do with the bonus
congratulations for the
and
winner.
still not landing. So number 4, 32, number 4. So yeah, I'm gonna call it off because this was a hard chase, and as you can see, the ball just landing on this area. So luckily, it came right on the dot, number 10, and from there shifted back to 0 neighbors. So let's see. There you go, 1 neighbors. And yeah, this table is dodgy today. So 20, so that would be a hit on the third spin.
The way numbers 20 black high into even number quarter
So
was in
yeah,
the section second dozen.
I'm gonna wrap it up. Stay
The winner is button.
tuned in for the next one. Peace.